All right, we've got hot car track in the center. We've got Marc D CRC Racing in the 55 Chevy panel. We've got Triple J in the 007 Spy Van, nicknamed Sean. Yeah, in that last race, the yellow Chevy, the Spy Van, the rear axle broke loose, so I've got to refasten that. EnZed Racing. That was pretty good. That was a pretty good race. I didn't see one. I was busy worrying about if I got the camera online or not. I hope I did. But that stock Johnny Lightning, I think it'll maybe remain stock, and I'm sending it down. I've got well, you guys are going to see them. I'm going to do a video of the big haul I had. All right, we've got two Blackfire Fords here, Ford F-150s. The one on the far side is a Blackfire 2, and that's the most likely candidate to be heading down to hot car track for Road Warriors 3. And on the near side, we have the new Blackfire 3. He's got a boom box he's got a big stereo in the back of this. He's just like chilling. The other one, he's all business. Number 2 has got the nitrous and everything else. Okay, I got Hot Wheel Boys. He's gonna get a chance to drive the super fast Blackfire 2 in the far lane, and John Crew from Power Drive Racing, he's going to be driving the other one, Blackfire 3. All right, let's see what happens here. First time on the track for Blackfire 3. He got a good start. Oh, and the other one wiped out. Blackfire 3 is all by himself. Woohoo! Hot Wheel Boys. Man, good run. Yeah, see, this guy's a little heavier. This is 102 grams, and the other one is 90. So, anyway, he's not top heavy, but I might have to rethink some of this stuff and see what happens here. I took a bunch of weight out of the top because the center of gravity was too high. So, I kind of like the way they look. What do you guys think? Yeah. All right, all three of these cars have been worked on a little bit since the last time we raced. The Mustang in the front is totally dialed in now, and I don't remember what it weighs, but it's not really heavy. It's probably in the 70 gram neighborhood. And you know about the tail dragger, he's real heavy. He's around 102, somewhere in there. Then we got the Willys gas for the backside. I mean the Willys Pro Mod. The Willys, I think she's riding the 99, 100 range. Kind of a heavy rig. Casey's driving that for us. We got EnZed and the tail dragger, of course. And, well, I'm going to let Poor Boy drive the Mustang because he gave me a tip about how to maybe get that back end jacked up a little bit with a washer. The washer ended up being too big, and I still used a gasket, but I found some harder material. Anyway, let's check this out. This should be a pretty good race. Okay. Let's go, boys. Oh, that Mustang. What the hell are these other guys doing? I'm sorry, I didn't know. I need another couple cameras on the track because I get caught up in the... That Mustang blew me away. That thing was fast. Okay, I got to race that again. Those other two turkeys, I'll put them away. I don't think they're going anywhere. The Mustang, maybe. We've got some Ferraris versus a Ford. And in front, it's my brand new Ferrari F512M. And then there's the famous silver Ferrari F512M. And of course, our very own EnZed Racing is going to be driving the charcoal Ferrari. And in the center, we're going to let Hot Wheel Boys drive this. What do you think, guys? I think that Mustang's a bad Mustang. And of course, DJ Triple J, I'm driving the red Ferrari. I'm driving that baby. Yeah, she's just a beauty. Okay, let's give you a view of the track here. Looking pretty good. It's pretty smooth this time. All right, well, let's race and quit screwing around. Okay, let's rock and roll. Oh, wow. Oh, EnZed EnZed goes down in the Mustang and the Hot Wheel boys. Woo! That thing is fast. Uh-oh. Mike, you all right? Where you at? Uh-oh, that didn't sound, it sounded like he fell a long ways. I'll have to go look. Yeah, he'll be all right. Oh, God. Mikey in there. And he's okay. He just flipped me off. All right, in the front there, this black one here and this red one, or this burgundy one, those are stocks. There's nothing done to them, just bone stock. They've raced a bunch though. The orange truck that's in Hot Rods right now is the racing partner with those two. And actually I think the black one's the fastest, but it was really close. I couldn't find the black one at the time of shipping, so I sent the orange one off. Okay, in the center, we're gonna go with Hot Wheel Boys again. And in the red truck, we got J Woodsy Woods. In the black, we got Triple J. We got EnZed Racing and the Ferrari Hot Car Track and the Holden. And in the red Ferrari, we got Marc D. Marc D's gonna drive the red Ferrari. All right, let's see what happens here. All right. This should be interesting. See how these little stocks do here. Oh, the Mustang wipes out. We got a Holden. Stupid going backwards. I hate that. That's why you put Blackfire tires in all your rigs, so you don't ever finish the race backwards. Looks like the Hot Wheel boys are okay. They just pulled off to the side. What happened? Superman Dean had to use the restroom. You're supposed to do that before the race. Got the Hot Wheel boys in the Bugatti Veyron. Got Scorpio Love Smith in the Austin Healey. The car on the far side, that's called the Tri-Baby. That's an original Redline Club car. It's a copy of when I used to play with when I was a kid. It was my fastest car. Long story behind that. Got a brand new Camaro Johnny Lightning, fresh out of the package, no tires. We got EnZed Racing's Sheriff car. It's a Holden. Then we've got a since '68 Pontiac GTO. It's all metal, the convertible, and it is a very fast car. Casey, why don't you take that for a spin? The gray Ferrari in the back. We'll let that be. That's gonna be Po' Boy Racing. We got Hot Car Track in his Holden, and then we've got Triple J, myself, in the red Ferrari. Let's see what happens here. This ought to be a pretty good race. Maybe it'll come out really good. Let's find out. All right, see if I can keep everything in the frame. The sun is really tough on me. You know, I got nothing but excuses. Oh my God! Look at that! Wow! Look at that Johnny Lightning. Look at that Hot Wheel boy, Scorpio Love Smith. Yeah, this was a pretty good race here. These guys did pretty good in traffic. I don't see anybody backwards, and not everybody has tires. That's pretty impressive. That was a good race. Now that black Johnny Lightning, that's stock. That could be in Hot Rods, but it's also really awesome looking. I'm sorry guys, I'm not sitting that down. You can watch it here. But look at that Sheriff car. That thing's pretty good. That's bone stock too, no tires. All right. The Pontiac is actually a lot better than what you think. We might just do a solo run with one other car and see what happens. All right, we got Hot Car Track in the Holden. We got Marc D in the Camaro. We've got KC in the Pontiac GTO convertible 67. I'm pulling for the 67. I don't know, I just want to see it go because I think it's a really good car. Okay, let's let her rip. Pontiac just doesn't do it. Oh, but he makes it down here and just smashes into the nice paint job of that Camaro. Holy crud, do you know what those things go for online? Woo! All All right, stock hold, not too bad. And the GTO, well, you know, maybe against another stock car. All right, this might be kind of a mismatch of sorts, but in the front, we've got the red Ferrari. He's a little bit lighter than the rest of them, but he's a nice car. You know, we've got Hot Wheel boys driving the red Ferrari. We've got DJ Triple J in the Blackfire Ford 2, and we've got Hot Car Track in the 69 Pontiac GTO, the Crow. If you lose, you'll be eating crow. All right, see who's gonna have to eat it. Look at the Ferrari go. That was a good race. I really like that race. I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna change lanes though. We're gonna do a lane change. Okay, there's our lane swap. Same drivers, same cars, different lanes. All right, without further ado, let's rock and roll. Oh, the truck blocks. They break loose. Oh, that's just pathetic. Oh, boo. All right, gonna be doing some repairs on a couple of the cars. One's a weight slipping issue. Another one, a tire came off that I didn't glue down. And the gluing to the tire actually works. So we've got the 007 Ford van. It's going to be in Vantasitc. We've got Blackfire 3. And we've got the Dodge Charger Police Interceptor. Who feels like a cop today? I think, well, it doesn't really matter who's driving at this point. Let's just see who's going to be fast. Okay. Let's go, boys. Sounds like early lead. The truck's gaining on him. Oh, and he slipped over for no reason. What the hell? Yeah, man. I got nothing but excuses. I think I want to raise the launch angle. I'm not feeling the speed today. I think oh, but it's windy. Yeah, I better just leave it where it's at. All right, let's race again. Okay, we've got the Judge 2. We've got the new yellow Johnny Lightning Ford E150 stock out of the package. We got the 007 Spy van. We got Triple J in the Spy van. We got Hot Car Track in the yellow van, and we've got our bravest driver out here, EnZed Racing. He's gonna drive the Judge. All right, let's see what happens. All right, I'm really looking forward to this battle. This ought to be interesting. I really like that Johnny Lightning van that Hot Car Track is driving. Let's see what happens here. Let's give it a go. Oh, that was a nice race. Those were all worthy.